Hey guys, so for today's video, I created this gorgeous, colorful look using both palettes from What's Up Beauty. So today I decided to use the Desert Monsoon palette with the Geodes palette. This one just launched a few months ago. I do have one video with each of these palettes already on my channel, but I thought it would be kind of fun today to just use both of them and create some really pretty, colorful look. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Here's a quick look at each palette by itself. This is the Desert Monsoon palette that launched last year. And then here is the Geodes palette that launched just a couple months ago. Super pretty. From Desert Monsoon, I'm going to start with Tempest on a Sigma E25. And I'm going to blend that all throughout my crease. I also want to mention I'm starting with no concealer under my eyes because I am going to use a lot of shimmers today, and these shimmers do have a bit of fallout, so I'll do my under eyes later. And then when most of the pigment is off of this brush, I'm going to start blending higher towards my brow to really diffuse out this pink shade. Now I'm going to take Downpour on my finger. This shade is so stunning, and this is going to go all over my lid. Now I'm going to go back to my E25 and I'm going to softly blend in the crease just to diffuse out this shimmer a little bit. Alright, so now the blue looks much more blended. Now from the Geodes palette, I'm going to pick up Peridot, and I'm going to apply this shade in the very center of my lid. Whew. I love how this looks with that blue shade. Such a pretty color combo. Now I'm going to go back to my brush and just softly blend around that Peridot shade, just kind of blending it into that blue around the edges. Now I'm going to take Citrine on a Sigma L05, and I'm going to apply that right in the center of Peridot to make this pop even more. I'm also going to apply this shade in the center of my crease, right here. Almost as if I was doing like a little cut crease look, but I'm not doing like the whole concealer thing. Whew, that is an intense lid, but I kind of love it. Do you see what I mean though by all the fallout? So I'm definitely glad I'm gonna do my concealer next. I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and clean up this blue down here and just pop on some concealer. Now I'm gonna take Succulent on a Sigma E20. This is from the Desert Monsoon palette, and I'm going to apply that along my lower lash line. Now I'm going to pick up Terra from the Geodes palette, and I'm going to use that to deepen up the lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply a black eyeliner in my waterline. This one is from Haus Labs, and then just smudging that out with the same E20 brush. My eye is a little bit watery, so I feel like this isn't blending out as well as I want it to. I think I am going to add a wing since this look is so intense. I'm going to use the Haus Labs liquid liner. Now I'm going to take more Citrine and pop that right in my inner corner. Whew, that's bright. Blend that out a little bit with my finger. And now I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes. All right, my eyes are done, my lashes are on, and for my lashes, I'm wearing my brand, The Bright Lashes, in the style Gemini. We are doing a little promo for this lash for the next few weeks because it is now a Gemini season. So if you spend over $50 on my website, The Bright Lashes, you do get a free pair of Gemini. And here is how the final look turned out. This is honestly not what I thought I would be doing today, but I am just obsessed with the lid, with that little gradient from the blue to the green with the pop of pink, and even that little pop of yellow. Like, I think this is just stunning. So if you want to check out either of these palettes, I'll link them down below for you as always. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.